not too bad. Okay, so I'm doing another soap that's terrifying. Which is hilarious because obviously the reason that I do not make florals is because I'm terrified of them. Because this is Frangipani and it's another floral and I'm terrified of what it's going to do. So I do have some yellow mixed up here with lemon sherbet, which will go bright orange but will come back. Yeah, and I've got my hanger tool here, so I'm prepared for the absolute worst. I don't know what's going to happen if the best happens. I haven't actually made a plan for that. So I've got my dodgy apron on. It's got bloody resin all over, so it's got like hard patches now. It's very annoying. But I'm not mixing this too much. I'm just going to give it a little whiz. Like literally, not even very much of a whiz. I'm too scared. I'm just trying to find something interesting I could at least put on the top. I don't really have anything. No, I guess it's going to be a very plain soap. I did actually want to put titanium in it though, so we'll do that now. Should have done it before. So yes, on my 4th week of the shop today. Today's Tuesday, so last week was an absolute disaster, but last week the roads were closed for like 4 days and there was a fire that was almost burning people's houses down. So, you know, I mean, the fact that I only made $11, I'm surprised I made $11, honestly. But, you know, I made more today than I did all week, so. Jesus, that wasn't hard though, was it? I made that more in one sale. I'm waving to the camera, to the microphone. It's been a long day, guys. I have been doing a lot today. Okay, stop. Think about what you're doing. What am I doing? I am going to pour some off in here now, I think. Give that a good mix so that I can, there we go, there you go. That must scare the shit out of inexperienced soapers. I mean, it scared the shit out of me the first time it happened. And I wouldn't consider myself an inexperienced soaper. When that happened, I was like, what the hell? This is actually really hot. So I'm doing everything wrong. I haven't mixed that too much, so that's not too bad. Christmas, Christmas! You won't see this before Christmas. No way will you see this before Christmas. What's the date? It is the 3rd of December. Yeah, you will not see this before Christmas. Although I promise I will try extra hard to be more on top of uploading videos. It's just, you guys know me. I'm useless. Oh, it's ricey. Oh, it's very ricey. Okay, what I might do then is I might put all of it in here. Actually smells quite nice, you know. And then I will stick blend just that. No, I don't have to stick blend 2 different ones. Josh, stop singing, don't scare the peoples. The advantage of doing this as well, whoops-a-daisy, is that what will happen is you'll get 2 different consistencies. That's much better. And so it doesn't rise like bad, and it's not setting up like super fast. Yeah, you get 2 different consistencies, which does interesting things to your soap. There's still a few little riceys in there, but I'm not going to mix it any more than that. I think. Actually, you know what I might do? I might do an in-pot the swirl. I might do an in-the-pot swirl instead of a hanger. Actually, no, I won't. I will not. I will not. I will not, because I do drop swirls and in-the-pot swirls all the time, and I never do hanger swirl for you guys, so I will do a or do this. Put some in there. We'll put some in there. And then we'll put some in there. And then we'll put some in there and some on the bench because the bench needs some. And then we'll put some in there. Right. And then we'll go up really high. Like that. And then scrape the rest of this out of her. I actually love the colour that that yellow goes. Like it is actually a beautiful orange that it goes. So Amanda was asking in the Aussie soap group today, I think it was today or yesterday. Amanda, she's the owner of my Mica Obsession, who I buy all my micas from, what she would like to see, what we would like to see in her store next year. So I love the fact that she's sort of, you know, she's getting in there and she's asking her actual customers what they'd like to see. I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean she's going to do it, but that she's in there asking says a lot, I think, about how she feels about her customers. Because I mean, if you don't give a shit about your customers and you just want to get whatever, then you'll just get whatever. Well, that kind of sounds like me, doesn't it? So I don't give a shit what people are. I'm going to make what I want. I do say that. That's terrible. But I am also not in this to make money, obviously, because I never make any money. Oh, God. So Bree said, I can see your ambition dying. I said, what friggin' ambition? I never had any ambition to begin with. I just like making shit. I just like making enough money so that I can make more shit. She said, but you always end yourself broke with all the shit that you make. I said, I know this. This is why I need to make more money, but I don't want to work like, you know, a regular job to do all the shit that I want to do. I can't hold down a regular job. Oh, God. Horse. Alright. Well, I guess that's all we're doing to that soap then. Bye. Back. Sorry, guys. My youngest, Curtis, you've heard me talk about him before, went to court today and we have no idea if he's gone to jail. So I didn't bother doing the hanger swirl because it's kind of set up on me now. So yeah, so this is it. You'll see the cut in the morning, or you'll see the cut in very, very shortly. But yeah, I guess it was another drop swirl. Yay. This is getting a bit boring, isn't it? We're really going to have to change shit up, I think. Alright, well, I'll see you for the cutting. Bye. Hello. Starting a bit early because I wanted to show you something. As soon as I opened this, I knew. This gelled really quickly yesterday, so I'm going to guess it was a little overheated, but I just wanted to show you that as I was pulling it out of the mould. So she looks like she's sort of pretty much everywhere, so... But, oh well, never mind. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Oh, Frangipani, that's right. Doesn't have hardly any smell. Honestly, at all. It just smells very... I mean, you can smell goat's milk, obviously, but like it's just really faint fragrance smell. It'll be interesting to see if it comes back or not. And again, a little bit harder because I left it overnight. Oh dear. You might hear the fellas outside. I've got a hardware that's next door and they're out the back doing stuff. Oh, that's okay. That's pretty colour. I hope it stays that colour. I really like that. It doesn't look like an actual Frangipani, but it's got the same sort of, you know, Frangipanis are yellow and white or pink, like those ones. So he said, I'll put some Frangipanis. I said, well, don't do the white ones, do the pink ones, because you don't see the pink ones around here as much. But I mean, this looks quite pretty. I like it. So yeah. And I had an awesome Oh, okay. That looked like an evil face. Cat face. It's a cat face. Is anyone else see a cat there? I can totally see a cat. Yes, there's roadworks down the road. I think they're just beautifying the street or some shit. I'm not entirely sure what they're doing. That's kind of like a kind of a smiley face. Kind of. And yeah, I was sitting there at the stop sign because there's a dude holding the stop slow sign, and it was my first love. That was so awesome. I haven't seen him for ages. So yeah, that made my day. Good old Quinny. And he's still as gorgeous as he was back then. And his missus is lovely too, funnily enough. She didn't talk to me for a long time, but I don't know. I just think it wasn't a thing. I don't think she didn't talk to me for a reason. I think she just didn't know me. But we talk now and get along, so yeah. But that looks like a medal. Do you reckon? Like there's the medal and there's the ribbon. I'm seeing all sorts of things in this soap today. That's a clothesline with washing hanging on it. Oh god, I want to stop now and cut some more soaps. Alright kids, I will see you for the next one. Bye. I'm back. I know a lot of you asked to see these being popped out of the mould, so that's it. It's not very exciting. But I mean, you know, it's part of the process. But like I said, I don't know if I said in this video or not, I'm probably not going to use these as smell me's anymore. I'm thinking I'm going to make melt and pour in a little melt container, just because melt and pour holds its smell a lot longer than cold process does. So yeah, with these, what I'll always do is just give them just a little bit of a trim, just to make them look a little neater. A lot of times they fall off the table and end up with dirt all over them, which gives me the shits, but there's not much I can do about that. There we go, that's it. That's the little smelly that sits in front of the soaps. So, not that... Yeah, see? It just smells like slightly perfumed soap. Alright, I'll see you for the next one. Bye!